Oh yeah, it's New Year's. Wow. So I was thinking of firing a cannon off or something, but oh well. This I kind of made in half of. I made in the summer, late summer. It's a 1880s Remington rolling block. 22. I got this whole thing, this part off of eBay. Somebody was doing something with it. Added the handle and springs and things. So a Remington rolling block. Let's take a look. Can't quite see it now. Okay, so it's not that costly. See it. $10 or something. Can't quite read that, but it's a Remington trademark. 22 short or long, it says. Oh, I did some. Got some goo on this thing. Duh, stupid. But I do have a blank since New Year's. Found these laying around here. Blanks, actually. It's for a nail gun, but I think we'll fire off one just for New Year's, okay? So you load these by. Wow. Let me open up the breech. Now these come in all different calibers and sizes. That's the pretty big ones, you know. This is tiny. So we put a cartridge in here, a blank. Oh no. Okay, that's a blank. You simply close this breech block. It's closed, loaded with a blank. Always do blanks. Fire. There you have it. So around New Year's, I would fire off guns in Canada, of course, and other places. And so we take this little rod here to remove the blank. There we go. So hard working with iPad, you know, it's stupid. Okay, so we got here and get the blank out. Blank is out. Close this. Blank fell on the floor. I'll oil it up later and clean it. But it'll be fun to fire off one of these, which I used to do quite frequently. Cannons, of course. What I used to use, didn't use any projectiles or anything, but just toilet paper. Lots of toilet paper and black powder, up to 4F powder grade. It's another project. I have to get this going here and sort all this. There is hundreds. I'm not kidding. Hundreds. Oh, it's crates are full. Vintage, all vintage. Yeah, this is a 3-inch cannon, and that's a 3-inch 50 barrel off a naval cannon. This reminds me to do that video I was going to do on the 90mm cannon story. So I'll do that too. Why not? Firecracker Day. Actually, on one of the warships, we found a bullet from the 3-inch 50 cannon, and we turned it into the RCMP. That's kind of weird. But anyway, that was a long time ago. That was in the 90s. Okay, I'm going to go and clean the little Remington rolling block and put it away and lock everything up, of course. But anyway, okay, next video will be something I'm thinking about. Okay.